Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, please subscribe and hit the bell button. I upload videos like this every week. Today, I'm going to share with you how I made this black and white Instagram stories using the app itself and a photo editing app which is Snow. Before we get to the IG story tutorial, I'm going to show you some examples on how I've edited my pictures using Snow. On the Snow app, click Edit on the left side of the screen and choose the picture you want on your story. Since the theme of our story is black and white, we will add a black and white filter or change the color into black and white. Now I will be adding a border. Choose the color black and adjust the sides by sliding the circle button on the line. Once you're satisfied, click on Save. Okay, so next picture, we will change again the color into black and white. And this time I will crop this picture and not use the whole picture itself. Add border, the same as the other one, which is color black. Adjust. You can choose sizes or dimensions here, as you can see below, and then save. You can see. So the way I've edited these pictures will make sense later once you've seen the IG Stories tutorial. Another example photo, I will turn this into Polaroid. Again, we have a black and white theme, so we change the filter into black and white. After choosing the filter, click on Sticker, look for Polaroid on the list, and then this time I chose the middle one. There you go, save. So there you have it. That is how I've edited my pictures using Snow. This time we go to the IG Story tutorial. Okay. The first IG story. So this one I was inspired by old Polaroids, which gives out a retro and edgy vibe. I've added the words peace and love because I guess I was holding a peace sign on the first picture. So I've thought of the words peace and love. You can write other words or phrases on your story if you want. So let's start by going to Instagram, slide right to create your story, and then look for layout. Choose the 2-frame option. So to add the pictures, I clicked on the square with the plus sign on the lower left part of my screen, and then after that, I clicked on checked. I started adding the words. For the word peace, I chose the neon font, and then you can adjust it by sliding up and down on the left part of your screen. And then for the word and, I chose typewriter, and then notice that I've added spaces in between. And then arrange the words the way you want it. Now for the word love, I went to gifts and then typed in letters. Then look for the letter L, just so. Place it under the word and, adjust it by pinching on your screen. I can't see letter O, so I typed in collage. Then letter O, again you can place it after L and then adjust it by pinching on the letters. For letter V, I couldn't find it here, so I've added letters on collage letters. Adjust, and then letter E. So again, adjust it to your liking, arrange the letters. So there you have it, peace and love. Okay, so once you're done, you can share it on your stories. Number 2, IG story idea. So I am a big cat lover, so I chose these pictures. Disclaimer, I do not own this magnificent creature. I know, it's so sad. So again, let's go to Instagram, slide right, choose the layout, second option, add the photos. It's very simple. And then I've decided to add the word perfect because he is perfect. So this one is very easy and fast to do. So I've shown you earlier how I've edited these pictures by using snow. Okay, then perfect, and then I chose modern font for this one, and then again adjust. You can see the line, so to make sure it's not crooked, and then there you have it. You can third story, aside from being a cat lover, I am also a coffee drinker. So I guess my stories reflect my personality. Okay, let's start again by choosing normal. Add the picture you wanted. This one I've shown you earlier how I've edited on snow. And then I typed in I like my coffee black. Now to make it in one line, I've adjusted it again by sliding up and down on the left side of the screen. Then change the color black to maintain the black and white theme. Now for the phrase just like my soul, I chose the neon font. There, just like my soul, but my soul is not black really. Then change the color into black. Adjust it. Okay. So there you have it. Your Polaroid Instagram story. Oh, by the way, I've added the heart. I almost forgot. I drew it using my stylus. I tried over and over again so to make it perfect. Okay, so next, IG story, which is very simple. I just chose 3 photos which are cohesive or within the same theme. This time again you choose layout and then choose the 3 frame option and then add the pictures. And then I've edited these pictures using the Snow app again to add the borders so it will not look really plain. So yeah, I wish I made it more even so it will look like pleasing. And then, okay, so you just adjust it and then share it on your stories. See? Okay, so last but not the least, this is another black and white simple Instagram story. So again, I chose pictures which are within the same theme. This time is the time we went to the beach, and then there you go. I've edited this again using the Snow app, and then I've decided to add the words black and white, and then add it there on the side. Adjust it. I don't know, I just felt like adding more detail into it, so I've decided to add 3 dots by just using the period. And of course, make it color black to maintain the black and white theme. It's very simple and easy to do. Very minimalist. And the word white, again, I chose the typewriter font. I'm just using my fingers to move the letters and adjust it. There you have it. Your simple black and white Instagram story. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned a lot from it. Again, thank you, and please subscribe to my channel, and if you want more videos like this, please comment down below. Again, bye bye, abiatu.